Hello, good morning students. Myself Pooja Kushwaha, and today I will teach you GK. That is, it is your GK book, Memory Magic Classics. Okay, here's the list of the chapters. Let's do the first chapter. In this week, I will try to complete chapter 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then we will continue the rest of the thing of the science that we are doing lesson 3 in the science. So the first chapter is where in the world. In this chapter, match the following animals with the countries or regions where they are found. Means we have to find out the native place of the animals. Pictures are given of the animals and names are also given. Here is the map of the world. In this map we have to match it the animals. Okay, so like the first one is anaconda, second ostrich, third polar bear, fourth kia, fifth panda, sixth penguin, seventh one-horned rhino, eighth masque monkey, ninth bacterian camel, and the 10th and last one is the kangaroo. Okay, if you have your GK book with you, you can do it directly in the book. If you don't have book with you, please purchase this. If it is not possible to purchase in this lockdown time, then note the answers in your rough copy, so that when you get your book you will fill it instantly. Okay, let's start filling it. Okay, our first animal is anaconda. You all are aware with this animal very well. I hope you all have seen the movies also that is based on the anaconda, isn't it? Okay, so if we talk about anaconda हमेशा ऐसी जगह पे रहता है जहां पर पानी हो. अगर आपने मूवी में देखा हो तो भी आपको याद होगा. पानी में वो इजीली छुप सकता है, अपने आप को बचा सकता है, प्रोटेक्ट कर सकता है, एंड फॉर द मेटिंग पर्पसेस ऑल्सो anacondas lives in water. So if we look here, we get the right place for the anaconda is Amazon basin. That is the best place for anaconda. So we can match the anaconda like here. Please match it with the pencil, so that if you match incorrectly you can rub it and match properly. Okay, come on the next is the ostrich. Ostrich also very well known. I want to look you ostrich properly. Ostrich is also very well known for you all. It is likely found in Sahara Desert. Where does it found? It is found in Sahara Desert. Okay, third one is the polar bear, and fourth one is the kia. Have a look, polar bear and kia, and fifth one is the panda. So polar bear mainly found in Arctic region. Why? Because they have white color fur, they are cold-blooded animals and live in a region that is mostly covered in snow. Fourth one is the kia. I hope you all have heard the name of the kiwi. Where does it found? Yes, it's right. It is found in New Zealand. Same as kia is also found in New Zealand. Okay, where does it found? New Zealand. So here the New Zealand and here's the kia. Let's match the New Zealand with the kia. Okay, next is panda. Fifth one is the panda. Panda is a animal that is also counted as the endangered. Pandas are also endangered and it is likely found in China. Where does it found? In China. Okay, so match it with the China. Now next, come on the penguin. Penguin mostly found in Antarctica region. Where does it found? Antarctica, in the Antarctica region. One-horned rhino. It is found in our India. Kaziranga National Park, if you heard that, it is famous for वन हॉर्न राइनो। काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क वन हॉर्न राइनो के लिए प्रसिद्ध भी है, फेमस भी है, जो कि इंडिया में, भारत में है। 8th वन इज द पेंगुइन, वन हॉर्न राइनो, मैस्क्यू मंकी, बैक्टीरियन कैमल एंड कंगारू। So 8th one is the Macaque monkey. Where does it found? It is found in Japan. It is found in Japan. Where is the Japan? Japan. Here is the Japan. So match it with the Japan. Now to our left, Mongolia and Australia. Bacterian camel and kangaroo. You all know that kangaroo found in the Australia. So the bacterian camel found in Mongolia. Okay, let's revise it. Anaconda, Amazon basin, ostrich, Sahara, polar bear, Arctic, Kia, New Zealand, panda, China, penguin, Antarctica, one-horned rhino, India, Macaque monkey, Japan, bacterian camel, Mongolia, and kangaroo, Australia. Okay. Two extra facts are also given here. Polar bear is the world's largest meat eating, means carnivore animals. सबसे ज्यादा मीट खाने वाला बेयर अगर कोई है तो वो कौन है? पोलर बेयर है। नेक्स्ट इज मेल मंकी गो बाल्ड इन द सेम वेज एज मेल ह्यूमंस बीइंग डू। इसमें ये बताया गया है कि जो मेल मंकीज होते हैं उनके भी बाल वैसे ही झड़ते हैं जैसे मेल ह्यूमन बीइंग्स के झड़ते हैं। जैसे आदमियों के बाल गिरते हैं सर से मैच्योर होने के बाद, वैसे मंकीज के भी बाल उसी की तरह से गिरते हैं। सो इट इज 2 extra facts here. Okay students, tomorrow we will do the next chapter of this lesson. And now let's talk about your homework. Your homework is to find out the native place of given animals. Note down the name of the animals. I'm writing it here. First is the koala, second is the tiger, third is the orangutan, 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 and fourth one is the Sumatran elephant. You have to find out the native places of these animals. Okay, if you want to ask some questions based on the GK, you can also ask to me. See this and watch this video very carefully. After that I will ask some questions based on this chapter only. Okay, thank you class, thank you for watching.